In this lesson, we will talk about checkpoint features and software blades. What is a software blade? Software blades are a standalone modular and centrally managed firewall, a security application such as a VPN, IPS, or application controls, or a module. It allows companies to customize their security needs. Software blades can be quickly activated with a mouse click through any security gateway or management system, with no hardware or firmware upgrades required. As the company's security needs grow, you can easily enable additional software blades according to your needs to expand an existing configuration on the same security hardware. Here you can see the software blades in the Checkpoint Security Gateway. I'll already show you how to enable them in the labs we're going to do. Now, on to our next page, let's talk a little bit about these software blades. The firewall software blade allows us to control Layer 3 and Layer 4 traffic in our network. The URL software blade allows us to filter web pages. The application control software blade allows you to control applications on our network. For example, we want a user to access Facebook, but if you want to prevent that user from watching games or videos on Facebook, or if you want to block a Skype application or an application on another mobile phone or computer, we can do this with the application control software blade. The IPS blade, on the other hand, prevents network penetration attempts and attacks with the deployment and management benefits of a unified and expandable next-generation firewall solution. Antivirus software blade blocks malicious incoming files. With the Identity Awareness blade, you can create identity-based policies, provide application and access control of users, groups and devices, and make them appear in the logs in detail. The IPsec software blade can integrate access control, authentication and encryption to provide secure connections to corporate networks over the Internet for mobile users, branch offices and partners. With the Mobile Access software blade, you can provide simple and secure remote access to email, calendars, contacts and corporate applications over the Internet via smartphones, tablets or laptops. The DLP blade, on the other hand, helps businesses preemptively protect their sensitive information from intentional or unintentional loss. Anti-spam and email security blade provides comprehensive protection for your company's email infrastructure. Sandblast and threat emulation protect your system from zero-day threats, new malware and targeted attacks. Sandblast threat extraction blade removes exploitable content including active content and embedded objects and rebuilds files to eliminate potential threats and instantly delivers clean content to users to resume workflow. We will already do labs on some of them. We will talk about them again in detail when we do the labs. See you in our next lesson. Bye.